Hey everybody, it's Jeff, back with a short video. I just wanted to show off a new purchase and talk a little bit about the coin market. This is a coin that I had bought, I don't know, about a week and a half ago. Normally don't like Morgans, normally don't really focus on it, but this one really caught my eye. It has that amazing blue that creates, of course, the rainbow effect. Got a little bit of violet, yellow in there as well. Just a stunning coin. 66 plus or with the CAX full step with the CAX sticker. Obviously a common year, somewhat common, not as common as 81S or 80S, but yeah, I did have to pay up a little bit for this coin, but it wasn't outrageous. And that's kind of my point here is I'm starting to notice, as crazy as it sounds, a smidge of weakness in the coin market. And I say that because a lot of times I will place bids on auctions that I like the coin, I don't love it, but if I can get it at a good price, then I'll place a bid there. And a lot of times those prices are even below where they've traded at in the last year and a half. And not surprisingly, up until about 2-3 weeks ago, I literally won nothing. But in the last 2 or 3 weeks, I'm actually winning some of these auctions at those prices. I picked up a Mint State 67 plus Buffalo nickel at half of where it traded in 2018. And the eye appeal is okay. I mean, it's not like spectacular. I'm actually going to keep you guys posted because it's funny enough, the registered auction was on Heritage Auctions for this coin. And I bought it off Great Collections. The nice thing about Great Collections is it does not hit the past sales on PCGS website. So as of now, it still looks like this particular coin sold for $2,400, not the $1,200 I paid for it. And I got a letter in the mail from Heritage Auctions saying, hey, market's hot, need to buy coins. So I emailed them and I said, hey, I got a coin, I'd be willing to sell you. And if they don't look at Great Collections, which I doubt they do, all they see is this particular coin sold for $2,400. And I'm going to be curious to see if I can potentially flip it to them and make some money here. So I sent him an email. I'll keep you guys posted to see if that actually plays out. I'm not hopeful, not expecting it, and honestly happy with the coin at the $1,200 I paid for it. But yeah, I've just noticed that a lot of the auctions I watch are not going for bonkers money, and Morgans are still pretty strong. Peace dollars are very strong, but some of the smaller denomination series, especially the non-toned ones, they're still solid results, but it's just not across the board, all out rally mode. And my thesis is, honestly, as people get back, especially right now, they're taking vacations, probably spending a lot more money. I know I took a vacation last week with the family, and good Lord, I felt like there was a vacuum just sucking money out of the old wallet. So and with stimulus money pretty much stopping, I'm sure people are maybe feeling less wealthy and less willing to spend money on rare coins and collectibles and stuff like that. So that's one guess. And honestly, of course, I follow the sports card market, even though I've never once bought a sports card. And that market is down at minimum 30% up to 70 or 80%. That market is in essentially a stair step down for the last 2 months. Really an ugly scenario there. But supply is flooding the market. And that's one thing I think that rare coins have a huge advantage of. A lot of the sports card rally happened in cards that were produced in the last year or two. And Collectors Universe, which owns PCGS, also owns PSA, they had a huge backlog. There was a supply glut because they couldn't grade coins or grade cards fast enough. And therefore, there was just not enough supply in the market for this huge influx of demand. Well, now PSA is putting those cards back onto the market and absolutely flooding the market with new supply. And that's one thing that rare coins don't really experience. And yes, you get the modern coins from the mint, stuff like that, but for the most part, you're not going to get a new flood of supply of Morgan dollars or a new flood of supply of Buffalo nickels in a high grade. So we have an advantage there over sports cards in a big way. And also, we didn't necessarily run up as excessively as them. We've definitely run up, but just want to put out some thoughts there and let me know what you guys are thinking or seeing. Again, there's still definitely strength in the rare coin market. I'm not saying it's all out weak or anything like that, but I think actually just maybe there's more deals to be had, which is honestly a good thing for collectors. As much as I'd love to see the coins I already own go up, I'm still very much a net buyer over the next 20, 30 years. So in reality, I'd rather coins maintain value or maintain reasonable value so I can buy the coins I like. So that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Take care.